Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Streamium app for Fire TV. All you need to do is to go to Find and go down to the search bar. Now in the search bar, you're going to type in the app of choice. So for this tutorial, we're looking for Streamium. So immediately you start typing it, you see suggestions as long as you're typing the right button. So look at the top suggestion in black, and that is exactly what we're typing. So ensure you're typing the right thing and keep typing the app name as you see suggested below. And when you see it suggested below, you just head over to it that I'm looking for Streamium app. So Streamium, and I see Streamium right here. So clicking on Streamium will load up, and I find the Streamium app right here. So click on it and you find the download button loading. After it's done, you hit on OK to download. Now it's quick to read it, so you just give it a couple of seconds. It will start downloading, and immediately after the download you could just relax and you find an automatic installation process. The apps need to be installed directly onto your Fire TV automatically. All you need to do is to go into your app library and access the app. So just like that, you have the streaming app ready to use and you can enjoy it. If you found this insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.